welcome back to today's more important analysis videos on Friday 20th of January with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. Now let's look at a bit of a volatile one at the moment, and that's cable. Cable's still chopping around. The last few candles have been very higgledy-piggledy, very up, very down, not really showing too much direction. You found support in the last couple of days at 22.50. But again, you've sort of failed below that 24.30 level. It's very much neutral, RSI neutral. MACD lines sort of having turned up slightly, but stochastics turning down a bit. So all in all, on balance, I'd say it's a neutral configuration on the near to medium term. Above 24.30 you turn more positive within this range, and yeah, below 22.50 you're sort of looking more corrective again. So it certainly looks at the moment as though we're sort of waiting really for a breakout. You can see this range here on this hourly chart, and you can also see the fact that we are looking out for pivot levels within this. 23 figure, a pivot. 22 figure is another pivot. And you're sort of trading around those levels really, which are in the middle of this range. Sort of drop below 23 figure to find support 22.50. Again, you've just dropped below 23 figure today, so arguably sort of more again neutrally configured within this range. But it's sort of with the RSI back to 40, that's around about where we've seen the support coming in pretty much all week on the RSI. The MACD line sort of buzzing around neutral, stochastics falling away, so that sort of reflects the near-term corrective look. But certainly at the moment it is pretty neutral, but neutral with the fact that it's quite uncertain in terms of the sort of candlestick configuration on the daily chart and the outlook on the hourly chart. So with that in mind, you've got Trump's inauguration later this afternoon, and that's likely to drive direction. You've initially had some direction which was lower in the last sort of hour or so. In the last hour with UK retail sales, which came in worse than expected. That has dragged cable lower, but ultimately not too much yet, and I don't think this is going to be too much direction in front of Trump's inauguration speech. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.